10. The bloody secret of Stonehenge, the mysterious murder that remains unsolved. And welcome to a new episode of the world's strange and mysterious secrets. Today, we will discuss a bloody mystery surrounding one of the most mysterious and ancient sites in history, a mystery that continues to baffle human intellect to this day. This is the story of a murder near Stonehenge that not only puzzled British police but also presented a complex puzzle to experts worldwide. A mysterious body, an ancient site, and a killer who vanished into thin air. This is the mysterious and terrifying secret of the Unquote, Stonehenge Murder 1985 Unquote. As always, please watch this video completely. Be sure to share your opinion in the comments. And if you are interested in learning about such mysterious secrets, then be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Stonehenge is an ancient circle of stones located in Wiltshire, UK, thousands of years old. This site is world famous for its mysterious construction, astronomical alignments, and ancient rituals. Experts still cannot agree on why and how it was built. Some believe it was a cemetery, some consider it an astronomical observatory, while others view it as a sacred religious site. But in 1985, this ancient and mysterious site gave birth to a modern and bloody mystery that remains unsolved to this day. On the morning of September 9, 1985, a local farmer was on his way to work in the Salisbury Plain. Not far from Stonehenge, he noticed something strange. Upon closer inspection, he saw it was a human body. He immediately informed the police. The police arrived at the scene and found the body of a young woman who had been brutally murdered. Her body was half naked and had multiple stab wounds. There were bloodstains around the body, but no clear signs of a struggle. It seemed as if she had been killed elsewhere and dumped here. The biggest challenge for the police was to identify the woman. She had no identification documents. The labels on her clothes had been cut out. Dental records also provided no help. The police circulated her photo nationwide, but no one came forward to identify her. For a week, the body remained in police records as a Jane Doe and unidentified woman. Eventually, with the help of dental records, she was identified. She was 23-year-old Karen Davidson, a resident of London. She was an artist with a deep interest in history. Karen Davidson's life itself was mysterious. She was not only a talented artist but also had a deep interest in ancient civilizations, particularly the Druids and their rituals. She enjoyed traveling alone and often visited historical sites. According to her friends and family, Karen was very passionate about Stonehenge. She believed it was in an energy vortex and place of ancient spirits. She was particularly interested in the seasonal changes and astronomical events associated with Stonehenge. In her final days, she was working on a new art series titled Ancient Whispers. This series was based on ancient British history and mythology. The police left no stone unturned in their investigation of Karen's murder. They interrogated hundreds of individuals, checked the backgrounds of her friends, family, and acquaintances, but found no leads. Some key points that emerged during the investigation. Police were certain she had been killed elsewhere and dumped here. According to blood splatter patterns, the murder site was about 2 miles from Stonehenge. Killer's modus operandi. The killer had acted with extreme precision. The wounds appeared to have been inflicted by a professional. This was surprising to the police. Theories had several theories: an attack by a psychopath, murder due to a personal enmity, the handiwork of a secret society or cult linked to Stonehenge. Karen Davidson's murder had several occult connections. She was interested in Druids and their ancient rituals. Occult gatherings often took place near Stonehenge. One theory was that Karen was a member of an occult group or was killed by such a group. The police worked on this theory but found no evidence. Another theory was that the killer had committed the murder as a sacrifice. There are historical records of human sacrifices at Stonehenge in ancient times. Was this murder a similar ritual? In the 1990s, the case was reopened with the help of modern forensic technology. DNA testing was conducted, but no new leads were found. In 2005, a new witness came forward who claimed to have seen a suspicious person near Stonehenge on the night of the murder. The description of the person was vague, so this lead also proved to be a dead end. Today, in 2025, Karen Davidson's murder remains in the files of unsolved cases of the British police. The case is reinvestigated from time to time, but no results are found. Karen's family and friends have kept the case alive. They spread awareness on social media and continually appeal to the police to reopen the case. Several theories exist about Karen Davidson's murder. Occult theory. The murder was a ritual sacrifice by an occult group. Personal grudge theory. Karen was killed by a personal enemy. Random serial killer theory. It was a random attack by a serial killer who was never caught. Karen had discovered a dangerous secret, which led to her being silenced. But none of these theories have been proven. Questions still remain. Who was the killer? What was the motive? Why was the body dumped near Stonehenge? Was the murder truly a ritual? So, friends, that was the mysterious and terrifying secret of the Unquote, Stonehenge Murder 1985. This is not just a mystery of a brutal murder, but a complex puzzle involving an ancient site, occult connections, and a missing killer. This video is based only on information obtained from various sources. Our intention is not to scare anyone or accuse anyone. Our goal is simply to make you aware of the mysterious aspects of our world that we all wonder about but never get to know. Now it's your turn. What do you think? Who was Karen Davidson's killer? What was the motive? Be sure to share your opinion in the comments. If you like this video, be sure to like it, share it with your friends who are interested in such mysterious events. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we will keep bringing you such strange and mysterious secrets of the world. Until the next video, and remember, some secrets are meant to remain secrets forever.